Hello viewers, this Friday we are showing another Canadian smoking design tutorial which is very easy and very popular. Maybe everyone knows this tutorial but our video is little bit different. So let's show. Here you can see we have taken some skewers with taking 3 cm length and 3 cm width for each skewer. And here I want to assure everyone that if you want a perfect shape of cushion, you must need to take 3 centimeter length and 3 centimeter wide for each square. Don't take less or more. Okay, now see, I'm taking a diagonal from right side to left side into a skewer and dropping a skewer, and then again taking a diagonal from right side to left side. So by this way we are going to complete the full row. Now second row, we will drop this row. Now in third row, we will do the same thing we did in first row. Again drop the fourth row, and fifth row will be as like as first row. So by the following way we need to complete the full design. I mean, we have to take a diagonal in every other square. And one thing I want to confirm that I took diagonals from right to left side, but if you want you can take diagonal from left to right side also. So and it's the same, so it depends on you. Now see the measurement of fabric. Number 1, take any kind of fabric like satin, cotton or any other glossy fabric. Number 2, use a colored pencil or chalk to draw the design in the fabric. Number 3, use the same color fabric thread to sew. Number 4, for 14 into 14 inch cushion you need to take 40 into 40 centimeter fabric. Number 5, for 16 into 16 inch cushion you need to take 50 into 50 centimeter fabric. Number 6, for 16 into 16 inch cushion you need to take 60 into 60 centimeter fabric. Now follow the sewing process. Here you can see we have drawn the design already, and now we will start sewing. So see, we will start sewing from here and just join the two corners of the diagonal and tie up tightly. So by this way we will complete the full design. So follow me what I am doing, and I think it's very easy to understand. So let's see. So guys, this is our design. Which the design we did, you have understood it rigorously, and if you have any question, you can comment below. So if you find our video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe us to get more design. Stay safe and healthy.